Just in case y'all wondering how to back in a Penske truck. So you want to make sure you do a wide turn. We're trying to back in right here. So you're going to swing to the left, guiding them to the left. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Come forward. Right here. Come on. I'm guiding them with my hand. Right, come on, a little bit more this way. A little bit more this way. Straighten up. You good, you good. Come on. I'm trying to bring it on this way if you can. Come to me right here. So, we got Dodge's mailbox. Come on. Straighten up, cause the grass. Yeah. Watch the grass. Watch the front wheel. And now you get. You good, you good, you good. Yeah. Trying to run over the neighbor's grass. He still might end up hitting it. Hit that grass. Yeah. If you wanna, okay. And we got her in the driveway. You gonna come out? You going to the? Hey, that's space.